What's up everyone? So I was at this place called Laysen Valley and I came to a coffee shop over here called Courtyard. Right now I'm going back to the parking, but I thought I'd tag you people along with me. Check out the scenes over here. What a wonderful place it is. See, a very well designed space, I would say. And right now I am also trying out this Insta360 GO 3S by attaching it onto my body, and well, it's fun till now. Check this out, the architecture over here, and isn't that a G-Tour T2? I hope you people can see well the scenes that I am seeing. So check out that fountain over there. I could have brought my car over here, but then I just put it in the parking. Check this out, seems like a restaurant. Now I'll have to go over there, but before that we'll go to this fountain because it looks captivating. Check this out. See, isn't that cool? Wow, looks so much fun actually. Anyways, I'll now head back to the parking. I hope the Insta360 GO 3S is doing justice to this place because it looks so captivating, honestly. There are offices, co-working spaces, restaurants, coffee shops. It has some interesting stuff. This place also looks good. Wow, this is quite a place to be actually. Now let us head below. Inshallah, I will make a longer walking tour of the Laysen Valley, but for now I have to go to the parking. I think we can pay for the parking over here. Let's see how much is our bill. Just bear with me. Okay, we can make a donation over here as well. Let me just take out my ticket so we can pay for this. So you see, this is the ticket. Let me just scan. Where do we scan? Okay, here you go. Period 0, and it's saying drive safely. Okay, nothing to pay. It says nothing to pay. I hope you people can see it. Well, maybe not, but I have nothing to pay over here. So I'll head back to the car. I'll show you a little bit of the parking as well. I came from somewhere around here. So they have quite a spacious parking actually. And well, that's pretty much it from this place. Right now, in the little walk that I had, there isn't more to show. Inshallah, next time we'll come over here, have a detailed tour of the place. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.